bathroom. Ooh, and this is the rest of the room. There's got to be a light here somewhere. I think it's just microwave, coffee maker. Welcome back to Rhode Island, Megan. We're staying at a different hotel this time. I'm not with the same people as I was before, but it's the first time I've been out of state since the last time I went to Rhode Island. Last time I went out of state was Rhode Island. This time we're in Smithfield. I think that's correct. Staying at a Hampton. This room's nice. And then there's a mini fridge in here. I already put my Gatorade in it. That's cool. And then behind this mirror, there's closet space.